Here we have the Canik TP9 Elite Combat Executive. This is a very easy gun to take apart, and I probably don't even need to post a video for it, but the main reason I'm doing it is because it has a slightly different and slightly easier method than most standard handguns, non-1911 style. Slightly different. So the main reason I'm doing it is I need to replace the recoil spring with the high force spring. So this is very easy. First, you obviously unscrew the barrel adapter, if you have one, on the threaded barrel. I will make sure it's empty. It's empty, nothing's in the magazine well. You can fire the trigger. So this is so easy. With almost every other handgun I've owned, you have to pull it all the way back and engage the slide lock. Not with this gun. Let's fire it again. This one, all you have to do is pull down these two tabs. You see matching corresponding tabs on each side. Instead of the rotating lever, you have these tabs. Pull on these tabs, you can feel the slide instantly move. Move it forward a little bit, and it just comes right off. So it's extremely easy. And then, of course, with the spring, you always want to plan on a lot of force. Don't want to fly across the room, but it's generally low force. So easily pull this spring right out. The barrel, of course, comes out this way. And there you go. The whole upper slide, a solid piece of metal, spring, barrel, and your whole lower. That's all you have to do for general cleaning.